So I'm storing some cars. Um, just going through some stuff that I had at home. And this Walther's, it's I think this is even a 40-foot well car. Walther's, right? Ready to run. Look at that, man. $9.98 is what I paid. There's just one in there. But, man, I'm just going through some cars. Check this out, right? This was a 3-pack of these solid gold Atlas cars, right? I have to convert the couplers, but a 3-pack of them, $25.95, and that's probably what I paid for it at the hobby shop. Special edition. Man, it's crazy. Where else? So I got these undecorated Atlas cars. All these cars here I need to convert over to microchains, couplers. Look at this Tropicana car. $5 I paid for this. It's an Atlas. Sorry. $5. It's crazy. What else? Paid $7 for that probably. There's one in here, $4.75 for this Erie Lackawanna. It's nice. It's got metal wheels, but it's got the old style couplers. I'm going to switch out. It's an old Atlas, Erie Lackawanna, 50-foot double door. It's pretty cool, huh? It's coming through, and I got more stuff in it. Still more stuff, more cars, and a bunch of engines. I gotta dig them up next. This one was pretty cool. $4 for this old. This is old Atlas, man. Look at this Atlas. This is old. Probably picked it up. Well, I'm sure. I don't know. It was probably used because it's pretty old. It's a Western Maryland car. Pretty cool car. Little 40-footer. I had a lot of coal hoppers too. I got them at home, so this one had metal wheels, but the old style. It's an Atlas, 90-ton New York Central. $4, man. Here's the crazy part, right? I used to go every year. We used to go to Mitchell's. It's a hobby shop that's long gone, and I have cars that, may have been priced for like, here's one. I guarantee it. Here's an old one from Mitchell's, right? An old Atlas. It's marked $875, right? This is an old Atlas, too. 50% off. Every year, right around Christmas time, right after Christmas time, they would have 50% off sales. Like I can remember that's when I bought, 50% off. I paid $4 something for this, $4.25, $4.35, something like that for this back then, right? But that's when I would buy like a bunch of Atlas engines. So if they were, I can remember back then the Atlas engines were $80, $90. I got these. These are pretty cool. I think they're Arnold's or Riverossis. They're little switchers. They need to be finished off, but they have microchains, couplers. They run pretty good. I've ran them, but I got a pair of them. I'll probably paint them up something. They're DCC though. They're really nice switchers. They're heavy too, man. They're beasts. All metal. So I got a pair of them. Hold on. Here they go, man. They're really nice. Here's the crazy thing, right? The chocks. See that? They're Kato. So I don't know if this whole thing is Kato or what, but the box says Riverossi on it. I'll tell you what, they're heavy as hell, man. They're cool little switchers. I can't wait to start running them, man. Getting there. So just on an update on update on the track. I still got that little piece of track back there to hook up, and then I'll start soldering stuff and running wires. But you see, I painted it. Yeah, that's it.